Hunter Biden's indictment on felony gun charges should be barred by a previous agreement made with federal prosecutors, his attorney argued Thursday. Attorney Abbe Lowell responded to the three-count indictment related to President Joe Biden's son purchasing a revolver while he was addicted to cocaine in 2018, accusing U.S. Attorney David Weiss of bending to political pressure and alleging there was interference by MAGA Republicans. Trumpism 2.0. How realistic is Donald Trump's 2024 platform? We believe these charges are barred by the agreement the prosecutors made with Mr. Biden, the recent rulings by several federal courts that this statute is unconstitutional, and the facts that he did not violate that law, and we plan to demonstrate all of that in court, Lowell told the Washington Examiner. The agreement with prosecutors would have allowed the younger Biden to plead guilty to a pair of misdemeanor tax offenses from 2017 and 2018 and avoid prosecution on a felony gun charge by entering into a pretrial diversion program. But the deal fell apart in July when a federal judge unexpectedly raised questions at a plea hearing about how the deal would affect prosecutors' ability to bring future charges against the younger Biden. The statute of limitations has yet to run its course on the misdemeanor charges, which are 2 counts of failure to pay income tax in violation of 26 U.S.C. Section 7203. However, the absence of any reference to the tax charges prompted questions about whether prosecutors will still bring them against the younger Biden. Constitutional attorney Andrew Lieb of Lieb at Law told the Washington Examiner that could mean that the tax charges are going to be in another jurisdiction, noting that prosecutors previously said future charges could be filed in either Washington, D.C., or California after the failed agreement. Those alleged tax crimes remain uncharged for now, but Lieb said he would be shocked if Weiss didn't bring future charges in the other 2 jurisdictions. The indictment returned by a federal grand jury on Thursday in Wilmington, Delaware, charged the president's son with 3 felonies. 1 for lying to a federally licensed gun dealer, 1 for making a false claim on a federal firearms application, and another for possessing an illegally obtained gun for 11 days, from October 12 to October 23, 2018. Prosecutors are likely to argue that the diversion program is not in effect because it was contingent on the younger Biden pleading guilty to the misdemeanor tax charges, something he reneged on after U.S. District Judge Mary Ellen Noreika wouldn't sign off on the plea deal earlier this summer. Lieb predicted that at least 2 of the 3 gun charges related to lying on his gun forms could be dismissed if the judge finds that the pretrial diversion agreement is binding, noting that judge could neither agree nor deny that based on precedent that says a judge can't be part of a pretrial diversion program. Sign up for free. Springs AM Update, your morning rundown of the latest news from Colorado Springs and around the country overnight and the stories to follow throughout the day delivered to your inbox each evening. Sign up, view all of our newsletters. Success. Thank you for subscribing to our newsletter. View all of our newsletters. But even if Lowell isn't able to convince Noreika to dismiss even 1 felony count, he believes recent decisions in several federal courts are on his client's side to challenge the statute he is charged with violating. On August 9, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit found the statute 18 U.S.C. Section 922, G. 3, unconstitutional, the same federal law Weiss charged Hunter Biden for on Thursday. If the first son's lawyers sought to challenge this same statute in Delaware federal court, the losing party would appeal to the Third Circuit, teeing up the possibility for a circuit split and a chance for the Supreme Court to consider the matter. Hunter Biden possessing an unloaded gun for 11 days was not a threat to public safety, but a prosecutor, with all the power imaginable, bending to political pressure presents a grave threat to our system of justice, Lowell said Thursday. Click here to read more from the Washington Examiner. Weiss has said he would not address the media after the indictment. Lieb said, the next course of action in this case would be an arraignment date for the younger Biden. Ashley Oliver contributed to this report. Original location. Hunter Biden lawyer argues David Weiss barred from bringing gun charges. Washington Examiner videos. Click here to read more from the Gazette.